weigh them, and then deliver that candy to soldiers' angels.
£433. We want to thank Lisa for what she's doing and thank her children for their service as well.
Yeah, as we discussed at 6:30, these little gestures,
yeah.
It's not the candy as much as the thought.
Right, getting that piece of mail, getting that candy.
Yeah.
All right, we were talking off air about these California wildfires, and you had a perspective that, I mean, a lot of us probably haven't even thought of.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that go into them, but one thing I wanted to cover, you know, we talk, or sometimes we don't talk about climate change, but that's what I want to start tonight, because things have been getting warmer. They've just been getting warmer, and we look at the western states, more fires. And we look at the temperatures from 1980. Really, they've only gone up not even 2 degrees, from 56.7 to 54 on average. But the number of fires that have been going on have been going up, and 6 of the top 10 fires out there have only been like the last 3 years. So this is a problem that is going to continue more than likely, unless we can somehow figure out a better way to deal with all that fuel, which is getting drier and drier. And it's that fuel at the floor of the fire, when it dries out, becomes so flammable and can do what it did. And on the flip side, not the heat, but we're talking about the cold as we head toward Thanksgiving. We're talking about temperatures. That's going to be a cold turkey come Thursday, right? Temperatures in the 30s to only around 40 for the high. And if you're wondering, it was 2013. Last time we had a high as cold as 40 degrees. And the last time we had a high that stayed in the 30s, that was in 2000, when the high was 38 degrees. And it's possible. We got a real shot of Arctic air coming down. Thank goodness. If we had a lot of snow cover, it would be probably colder, but we don't really have that going on. Tomorrow, some sun and clouds. Temperatures mid-50s for highs, variable winds at about 5 miles an hour. If we had more sun, we could be in the upper 50s, but I don't think that's going to be the case. Right now in Washington, we're sitting at 44. Clear at the moment. We've had anywhere from cloudy to clear skies, but very light winds southwest at 3, and the humidity pretty high at 82%. And as we saw those temperatures, well, we're going to be on Thursday. Right now, they're in the 30s to 40s, mid-40s even in Annapolis and Pax River, so not nearly as cold, but there's plenty of cold. There are some minus 20s in northern Canada. We have teens in International Falls, but the cold is there. And when you follow the clouds on the radar, see how this stuff is moving southeast? That's going to allow the cold to pour down from Canada. If it was going west to east, it would sort of block it, but that's not the case. What is moving west to east, more than likely, is rain and snow showers to our north. That is going to miss us. Other than some clouds with it, yeah, not too much going on now. The chill is around. We'll see some rain and snow once again pass to our north on Monday. But as we get into the afternoon and evening, maybe we get a shower to try to get over the mountains toward us, but most of this is going to miss us. And then some colder temperatures start moving in Tuesday afternoon. That's just the leading edge of that 1-2 punch, which is going to give us the deep freeze come Thanksgiving Day. And looking at the travel forecast, notice these scattered showers Monday from the lower Mississippi Valley up to some snow showers in the Great Lakes. The west stays clear Tuesday. That comes onshore Wednesday into the west coast. Meanwhile, some snow showers up across New England, maybe a couple of rain showers in South Florida. We'll take you to Wednesday now. More snow showers in New York State. And there's the unsettled weather moving into the west coast. But at least the fire situation should be quenched somewhat by the rain moving in. Partly to mostly cloudy, 30s and 40s. Not too cold. Partly cloudy and chilly, dry again in the morning, 30s and 40s, and then in the afternoon we'll be in the mid-50s with mostly cloudy skies. Our 3-day forecast has temperatures dropping off to 56, well, not dropping off Tuesday, dropping off Wednesday to 49. As we head toward Thursday, that's the cold one at 40 degrees, and then over the weekend, looks like rain likely Saturday back in the 50s.
Oh, the 40 is going to be an adjustment there.
You're warned.
Thank you, Howard. All right, a devastating injury, of course, for the Washington Redskins today. So what does it mean for the Burgundy and Gold moving forward? Darren's going to let us know coming up in sports. Stay right here.
DC isn't for the faint of heart. We're original. We know what's right, and we know what's real.
And you deserve news that's as real as you are.
We are WUSA 9 Real Matters.
Whatever your big job is, come into the Ram Black Friday sales event and get a great deal on the truck with the best resale value in the industry. And find out for yourself why more people are switching to Ram trucks than ever before. Because of all the things you've built this year, some are sweeter than others. Great deals going on all month at the Ram Black Friday sales event.
Get an average $12,758 in total values on the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic or walk